boy broke and blue, looking for something to chew. Well, you better come through, Krakowski's got some food for you.
Damn gyro.
You idiot. That is not a gyro.
I know, I tried. What do you want me to go to fucking Greece?
So I found one, and this is the world-renowned worker of like two restaurants.
Madison.
Yeah, that, whatever that is. And we're gonna make a gyro because I don't even know what the heck they are. We also got a Greek dessert. This is very authentic. And we're gonna start off with...
Only found in Greece.
Yeah.
So you'll need Greek yogurt, plain, dill, cucumber, olive oil, and salt. And cucumber. Wait, it said cucumber.
Okay, so it's whatever she says, yeah.
Yeah.
I get
And
that.
garlic.
Alright, so for the whatever sauce,
Tzatziki.
tzatziki sauce, what do we get?
So first thing you want to do, can I pour it in here now?
Yeah.
Alright, first thing you want to do is you want to pour all of the plain Greek yogurt into a bowl.
That does not look like yogurt.
It is indeed yogurt that was sitting on Bart for multiple hours.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Okay.
I'm just gonna put all of it because I don't think I'm gonna be making tzatziki for a while.
Okay, just kind of go like. Alright, now,
Now we gotta chop all this up.
I got the knife. Thank you.
You need
So-
like this much.
Only that? What? So just.
For now.
Just kind of like go like that. It's best to keep your hands safe so you don't like touch them. And then you go
Let's see.
just like dice it up.
In Greece, we do not use the knife. We just
Use your teeth? No! But you see, we in Italy or wherever the heck we are, we do things with special tools. These are permitted by the government.
no. We just get the little kids, and you get them to go like that.
We don't have kids around here though.
You know, get your dogs and they'll go like that.
They are not hardworking. We feed them too much. Okay, is that
Yeah.
good?
No. You just gotta keep on going. So put all that in here. See if it's enough.
They should- oh.
We should just eyeball it every time. Yeah, we'll need some more.
So you want it to be fine like powder. Like it has to be like flour once you're done.
Like salt grains, you
No,
know?
not even salt. Those are too thick. Okay. So you gotta clean it with this side. You gotta use this because it's a sharper end, so it cleans you off better. Yeah. So now I'm gonna get this while she's doing all that.
Why do you have like a cutting board?
That's a cutting board?
I think so.
Probably got all their aids on it or something. Never trust it. Plate is handcraftedly cleaned ready. So you gotta go like this. And then, actually, I'm cutting in half just because.
Here, can I do this part?
Fine, okay.
I'm gonna just cut it on here. if that's
See,
okay.
she doesn't trust me, and that's why. Oh.
I wonder why.
A lot of people say like you shouldn't be doing dangerous things, but it's like I'm still here, so obviously it works.
Do you have like a cheese grater? It might work better, that's why.
Oh, yeah, they said you need one on the recipe. I mean, your descendants said that. Yeah. How much you gonna need?
We're just gonna eyeball it like everything else.
Yeah.
Why would you need measurements? Here's the recipe, okay? It's some cucumber, a little bit of olive oil, like a coffee cup's worth of Greek yogurt.
A coffee cup? The large from McDonald's or the small from Burger King?
Whichever one you have, you know? Just like a couple of drops of salt.
Oh yeah, we got a couple drops here.
This should be good.
Alright, so now we got lemon juice. What is it? Is that Greek yogurt in there?
Yeah.
Okay, don't put Greek yogurt. Oh, there's 10 in there, anyways. But just get some lemon juice. I don't even know how much this is.
Hey, you know, some is the right amount.
Okay, don't know when to stop pouring.
Just pour the whole thing.
It's okay.
That's
even,
good.
Even the chunk? Okay.
This is good. Now we want a little bit of olive oil. We will taste the olive oil.
So I guess 3 garlics unless...
You might need more.
More?
Why don't you try to like defrost it in the microwave?
So much work though. So if you have frozen garlics, put them on for, I don't know,
30 seconds?
30 seconds? Okay. Don't sue us if the microwaves are blowing up after this. So you just want to microwave it for a certain amount of time. Just cut it. Maybe wear gloves or something if you're white, but I'm very powerful. And then just get it done. Pain. Dang, what the heck? How much salt was that?
I don't know.
So yeah, while someone's cutting garlic, you can just put some salt in it, guys.
Unless it's cookies and baking, I don't go by an exact like amount.
Yeah, I don't know if there were 2 restaurants you worked at. I think it was 1 now I think about it.
I learned how to say happy birthday in Spanish today. I think it's Cumpleaños feliz.
It's feliz cumpleaños.
Same thing.
Make sure to wash your hands before this, people, or else a lot of things could happen.
Yeah, we're gonna need some more.
Oh no.
I'll cut it.
How many garlics?
Well, like the same amount that you just had.
Just 3 more, that's it? I just realized you're also a Greek with a Trojan on your shirt. What the heck is that?
Didn't the Greeks go in the Trojan horse?
Yes.
See?
It's to kill Trojan.
Okay.
So we're just putting it in for 10 seconds this time. Is this enough?
Yeah. You know what we literally could have done that whole time? We could have used that.
I was thinking that!
Why didn't you say that?
But I don't know, you're the expert!
I didn't think of it.
I mean, I'm the expert, but...
There's lots of lemon. Needs more of this, I think.
So what's it supposed to taste like when it's good?
I don't know how to describe it necessarily.
What's supposed to be the strongest flavor?
The Greek yogurt.
How is this supposed to be good then?
It's good. Greek people can eat this with nothing but bread.
Give me that, hold on. I'll do the master.
We need more garlic.
We had like 6 garlics in there already, so I guess we're gonna put 4 more.
Actually, it's okay. It's okay.
You don't want to cut it?
Nah. It's okay.
I know. Okay.
This is good.
Okay,
It'll be
yeah.
good.
Even if it needs more garlic, she
It's
doesn't
good.
want to cut it,
I
so
think we
it's
can
fine.
just put more salt, and then it'll be good.
More salt.
Okay, now let's make the meat.
You just want to like go to your local pub, just some slam of meat.
I would also like to say he's a meat expert. He just finished a meat class.
A meat evaluation.
Yeah.
I got my master's in it. So you get a dirty pan, and then you get some oil. This is supposed to be extra virgin, but we're promiscuous out here, so we can.
Like, you know, just a little bit around the pan. That's good.
Okay, that's good. Just enough to look like a peninsula.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah. And then,
That's a bay.
what?
I'm gonna like cut the meat so it cooks quicker, and also because you want small pieces for it.
So you get it, and you just kind of like, yeah. And you turn on the fire to, oh wait, I forgot to put the oil around. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on medium or?
Wherever you would normally cook meat, you're the meat expert.
I don't even know what animal this is!
Medium or high.
You just get it on there and go like, and let it cook.
So at this point, you just want to cut a bunch of meat. It doesn't really matter which meat is, whatever you want in this contraption. And then just cut in the slices that we did earlier, like that size, and then you'll be good just as much as you want to fill into your gyros.
What like seasoning things do you have for it?
I don't know, what do you mean? It's so broad.
Do you have oregano?
Salt, pepper, oregano, that's what you need for the meat. Put in the stuff.
Alright, that's good.
Fine, straight from the earth, ground pepper.
Whoa, that's a lot of pepper.
Oh, you know these white people, they can't handle the spice of pepper sometimes, so you gotta
Yeah.
put a little less pepper. Alright, now we're gonna get some onion and what?
Chop it up. But wait, don't use that kind of onion. Red
You
onion.
see, she's still, you know, she's fresh from Greece, so she's still a bit racist and doesn't understand that every onion should be treated equally. How much could I cut? What do you mean?
Like, the amount that looks right.
I don't know that! Okay, I'll cut some more. Is this good?
More. It doesn't have to be like super fine.
Dump all that. Okay.
That should be cooked, right?
I think I know. And then get the rest of the onion because
I like onion. So now we're not done with the stove. We gotta cook each and every one of the pitas.
okay, so you get this tortilla knockoff, this extra thick. How long do you say you cook each side for?
Just until it looks nice like that.
Until it looks like this. What? She just poured an unprecedented amount of olive oil in there and I can't even measure it. Pour some in, I guess.
Just so that it doesn't like burn it.
So you basically cook them like pancakes.
Yeah, the grill works better.
Alright, put it on something where this juice doesn't just like spill out and just leave. Like your paternal parent.
That is a good thickness. Look at this.
Remember, if anything falls on the floor, do not use it. It's trash. Or else you're gonna get scoliosis. Now we just gotta assemble this, whatever. So, this is hot. Okay.
Do you have a plate to assemble it on?
No.
This is the first thing so it doesn't move.
Okay, so yeah, you put this liquid thing.
Oh, that's a lot. That's way too much.
It's too much?
That's way too much. That's good.
Okay, you get this much because these people are lame, don't know. You're supposed to put a lot. Okay, then you do that.
And then get meat.
You get 3 pieces of that, and then you put some onions in there. Just like you put some Windex in your broken marriage.
Take a bite.
So like a taco,
Like this, like wrapped like that.
and then you'll wrap this one.
No.
Oh, so you do this.
Yeah.
All right, I guess I'll give it a shot. See if this is worth all the whatever. Tastes like a burger.
In a way.
All right. That's really good. Okay.
Look at it after assembly.
Okay. All right, bye.